I'm saying this with all this confidence, like I know exactly how I'm going to accomplish this. I said that was going to happen this year, and then I have a soft spot for business owners, for small business owners. I really do. And so I keep violating my own edict, and I keep allowing in clients that we're not doing the books for. And I'm here to tell you, my team members are ready to stab me in the throat. All right.
Many Schedule C clients have no bookkeeping.
Oh, this one. I would love to hear from some other people on this one. I have a mission in my practice to stop accepting clients unless we do the bookkeeping and the taxes. So in the next 2 to 3 years, my business will not have any business tax clients for whom we do not do the books. Now, that is hard as heck, y'all. I'm saying this with all this confidence, like I know exactly how I'm going to accomplish this. I said that was going to happen this year, and then I have a soft spot for business owners, for small business owners. I really do. And so I keep violating my own edict, and I keep allowing in clients that we're not doing the books for. And I'm here to tell you, my team members are ready to stab me in the throat. Like, if you take one more, we're going to find you and we're going to end you. So my personal opinion is that it's okay to accept clients that don't have bookkeeping. Just know that you're making more work for yourself and your pricing should be according, right? You're probably going to have to be doing some type of bookkeeping, whether it's taking their receipts and dumping them into Excel, whether it's exporting their bank transactions and manipulating Excel, whatever you're doing, you're going to be doing some kind of bookkeeping work to get that Schedule C to completion, and that should be reflected in your fees. So it could be a great opportunity. Maybe you don't want to start upselling by offering bookkeeping specifically. This could be a great way for you to upsell your current clients without having to add on year-round bookkeeping. So I love it. I just want to make sure that you charge accordingly because that has value, right?
Yeah, and maybe with that in mind, could you touch real quick? I know we've touched on these and other things, but say you're sitting down with a client and you see they don't have bookkeeping or it's totally jacked up, but they either don't have a budget, Andrea, or they don't want to have a budget to pay for $200 or more for a bookkeeper solution. What's like the cheapest kind of things that maybe could be mentioned to that person? They have an intention to do it this year. How do you see that? Just a couple quick things.
Make sure you have a separate business bank account. And then at the end of the year, you can export all of those transactions into Excel and manipulate the data that way. That's probably the cheapest option. Then there's like Wave, which I think is still free. So Wave is an accounting software, a bookkeeping software that I'm pretty sure is still free. Find an accountant who offers QB Ledger. QB Ledger is only $10 a month. So maybe they find a bookkeeper that has access to that QBO product, and then maybe they only charge for quarterly or semi-annual bookkeeping. But the cheapest way that I can think of and what I recommend to clients who just cannot afford bookkeeping, make sure you have a separate business bank account, run all of your business transactions through that, and then at the end of the year, we can just dump it all to Excel and make some pivot tables and be done with it.